Bodum spare carafe for French press, 12 ounce. Bodum spare carafe for French press, 12 ounce. A broken beaker shouldn't put an end to getting great coffee press coffee, nor should you have to purchase another whole set. This glass replacement beaker is just the thing. Use it as a replacement or as an extra. Meant to fit with all 34-ounce coffee press sets, this style works with all Bodum 3-cup, 1.5 US cups coffee presses. Constructed of glass with an easy pour spout, the beaker is safe to clean in the dishwasher. 12-ounce capacity, hold 1.5 cups US, 3 European cups. Heat-resistant borosilicate glass. This size is officially called a 3-cup, 1.5 US cups. It is based on 3 espresso cups. The French press this spare glass fit into is called a 3-cup French press. Features demure pouring spout and smooth, rounded edges, dishwasher safe. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.